If you're looking for a spacious 3 BHK in South Delhi, then this one in Jungpura, built in 200 square yards, is definitely gonna grab your attention. Hi, I'm Shrishti Anand, a real estate enthusiast from Hub and Oak, and today we are going to show you a beautiful property along with a terrace in Jungpura. Right now we are standing outside and this is the outer facade. You can see the color combination looks great, really nicely with some wooden detailing, some black, some grays. Come, I'll show you the parking. So this is the parking area and you're getting the false ceiling work which has been done really nicely, some detailings on the wall, and you're getting the parking space for 2 cars. Come, let's go up and show you the whole floor. The property is on the 3rd floor. So this is the entry. We are showing you the 3rd floor of this property. This is the common staircase, the common lift. This is the way to the terrace, which we are going to show you later in the video. And the stairs have these tiny mini lights, so all the details have been thought through. We are inside the apartment and this is the security system, and this is the living room. And I have to say, I'm not just saying it for the sake of the video, but it actually feels really very airy, very open and different from the most of the houses that I have seen and I have shown you. The whole theme of the house is white. And I keep saying, and I can say it again and again, that white is so in these days and everybody loves white. We have some detailing on the wall, beautiful wall work. The flooring is marble. We have fans attached and VRV ACs. This is the false ceiling work, which also looks very pretty. Now let's show you the balcony. So we are in the front side balcony of this property, and this is a northwest facing property, and all the schools, the markets, the hospitals, everything is nearby, everything that you need, the necessities. And you can see that there are lush green surroundings, so when you're back from work or early morning when you wake up, you can stand here, have a cup of chai, read your book. You can have a great time here. Also, when you look at the ceiling, you notice that there's some wooden work done, which is looking very nice with some lights in the ceiling. And the balcony is also attached to the guest room, which we're going to show you now. This is the guest room, and the layout is really amazing. You'll notice some wooden work on the wall. Actually, it is a wooden wall, the classic design, and these are the wardrobes that look fantastic in pastel color with lights inside, ample amount of space for you and your guests. Also, we have this dressing area, which from my point of view is a very important part of any room, and you're getting such a big sized mirror. There's a full size mirror, and also there's a vanity area here, a drawer where you can keep all your things. You can keep rest of your things on the shelf. There's also a very wide window here, so good source of ventilation. When you don't want to open the balcony, you can use the window. The door is also wooden, the same flooring, the background, the wall color is white. The false ceiling work, I'll take a minute and appreciate the false ceiling work, which is looking amazing, and it is really different. The design is really different from what you see. There's also a VRV air conditioner here. Now let's go to the washroom. I think it's looking even better in real and what you are watching right now in the video. The vibes are really great. There's marble work on the wall as well. You're getting such a big size mirror with these Japanese kind of designs that you see on the television. The lights, this is the basin, the vanity area. There's so much space. And this is the shower area with an overhead shower and a hand shower. This is the WC. Here's some space for your bath products. So there's ample amount of space. There's a fan also in the washroom. Come, let's explore the rest of the house. And next I'm going to take you to the kitchen. But before that, just look at the foyer area. And the fall ceiling design is this one, is one of the favorite parts, my favorite part of this house, and you can tell us in the comment section which one is your favorite. There's some detailing on the wall, and here comes the kitchen, and the door, just pan the camera at the door, and it is very different from what I have seen in other houses. This is golden, and there's some golden and black detailing on the glass. It's looking very pretty, very classy, very modern. And the rest of the cabinets are in classic wooden design, and this is in pistachio green. Lots of cabinets for lots of your kitchen stuff. Here is two separate sink area, and the platform, some more cabinets in translucent glass. Here is the chimney. This is the gas stove. Some more cabinets, and this is the area for your double door fridge. And also there's an AC, a split AC inside the kitchen. What else do you need? Now let's take you to the second bedroom, which also has a balcony attached to it. And this is the second bedroom. There's decent amount of space, marble on the floor, and the similar kind of fall ceiling work which is there in the rest of the house. The VRV air conditioners inside the house all over. These are the cabinets, powder blue plus grey in color. Something a bit different. We have two wardrobes here with lights. The wooden door, the fan, and let's go to the balcony now. You won't even need to switch on your lights in the daytime because of all the balconies and windows inside the house. This is a small balcony outside the second bedroom, and this is the view. Some trees, some greenery, and you can relax here, maybe place some seats, garden sofa. Now let's go to the washroom. This is the washroom of the second bedroom with a mirror with lights again. This one is also a good big size mirror. This is the basin, vanity area, and there's some pattern on the wall marble that you can see, and it's looking good. This is the overhead shower. There's the hand shower. Now the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and what caught my attention is this wide window that was also there in the first bedroom. And this is gonna be a great source of ventilation, great source of sunlight. And these are the wardrobes that are very different from the rest of the whole house. Ivory with lights. Then this other part of the wardrobe is transparent, which you see in a lot of modern homes on Instagram. Such good amount of space for all your things, and the flooring is similar to the rest of the house. The walls are also similar. This is the false ceiling work that you are getting in the master bedroom, along with the fan and the VRV air conditioner. Let's take you to the washroom, which has been really nicely designed, and you can see it for yourself. This is a very big sized circle shaped mirror with these cool design and lights. This is the basin. This is the vanity area with so much space. And also you'll see that these black detailing on the wall that you saw in the second washroom, now in the third washroom, which is of the master bedroom, are really looking nice. I can say that. The platform is black in color. This is the WC, and this is the shower area with a hand shower and an overhead shower. Also, the balcony that you just saw in the second bedroom is also attached to the master bedroom. So we can say that all the rooms have an access to the balcony. Now come with me as I am going to show you the terrace. Let's go up. So yeah, this is the terrace, which has been very nicely maintained with these plants. The color combination looks really nice. Here is an overhead shed, and there's also a room on the terrace that you are gonna get with this property. You can set up a lounge here and get your guests seated when you're having a party at the terrace. And this is the air conditioner. There's also a washroom. A washroom that you're getting inside the room on the terrace, which is pretty amazing. The marble on the wall, the shower area with a hand shower and an overhead shower, the vanity area also here, basin, a mirror with lights. This has really been thought through, the whole house. I'm telling you that you're gonna have a really great time with your guests when you're having a party here, and you are going to host a whole lot of parties here, and your guests are gonna love you for it. This is a very big sized terrace, and here is the bar area. Another area, a platform where you can keep your stuff while you're having a party. Some more plants. Then this is another overhead shed with wooden detailing, and this is the classic wooden design that you see these days. Now I'll say that this actually has become my favorite part of this property. So yeah, this was the whole walkthrough of this 3 BHK in Jangpura, and honestly, if you'll ask me, I don't think that you need to see hundreds of options and confuse yourself if you are looking for a house in South Delhi. You just want to see the one that actually feels right, and if this is that house, then you can give us a call on this number below, and there are more details in the description box. And if you also want to look at more properties, we at Hub and Oak have a whole lot of good properties with us. You can watch our YouTube videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day ahead.